Today, on April 22, world observes Earth Day. As Mahatma Gandhi used to say, that this Earth, this planet can take care of everybody's need, but not everybody's greed. I think that connotes a message. And our Prime Minister Narendra Modi always says that we must limit our consumption so that we live a sustainable lifestyle. So he brought lifestyle issue into the whole debate of climate change. And therefore Indian lifestyle, which is completely environmental friendly, is an example of how we can move ahead. Some people argue that if we cut on our consumption, the economy will suffer. But it won't. Because if you are cutting on certain kind of consumption, you will be doing other consumption which is of more necessity, which gives equity, which gives justice, which brings all poor people on the level of, as this lockdown has already told us, that unless we give social justice and bring poor people out of poverty, we cannot achieve and we cannot fight such menace effectively. And therefore, Earth Day is a day of resolve, day of making pledges, and also protesting against malpractices. I always see in many countries the shops and malls and everything are lighted throughout 24 hours. When the shop is closed, why there should be light? It should be closed. It should be shut off. But they don't shut off. And the pet argument is that otherwise the electricity, if you are not consuming, it will go waste. We can reach out to new sectors where there is dearth of electricity. But overconsumption is sin. And therefore, we need to point out all such fallacies and protest against them also. I think this is the pledge we need all to take on this Earth Day and pledge for sustainable lifestyle propounded by Mahatma Gandhi ji and now brought in climate change debate by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.